Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos in your Google Drive. So Google Drive is the best place to store your files, videos or photos. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to Google Drive. Alright, now all you have to do is click on sign in. Alright, so you will be redirected to over here. Now if you want to upload videos to your Google Drive, all you have to do is go to the file and select the video that you want to upload. So here you can just drag and drop the video, and here you can see our video is being uploaded. Alright, so over here you can see our video has been uploaded. So now all you have to do is refresh this page, and here you go, this is our video. So our video has been uploaded successfully to our drive. So that is how you can upload video to your Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.